Unboxing of the Saigo XPA 125. Okay, what's in the box? We have the manual, a power cable, what's inside the power cable? Power cable here. Power cable. We have the keying cable and the programming cable. Okay, what's next? Alright, I'm excited. Next is the amplifier. It's the XPA 125. So thank you guys. That's all in the box. And 73.